Hi, this is Jeremy Bradshaw from MarineMax Venice. This is one of our new arrivals. This is a beautiful 2021 Sea Ray 250 SDX. So what we'll do, we'll go through the boat, point out some of the cool features on it. This one has the beautiful two-tone gel coat. That's a really cool color of blue, a little bit unique there. This one also has your arch and your bimini top. We ordered this one in with the big 300 right here. Verado, excellent horsepower to weight ratio. These motors are very fuel efficient as well. Great cruise speed, wide open throttle. So in the back of the boat, this one's kind of unique. So you've got the boat's really designed for comfort and seating. So you have this in the position here, and this whole seat actually rolls back as well. We've got our sea deck back here. The boat does have a built-in battery charger. Lots of seating all the way around, storage underneath all of your seats. This one also has a full cockpit tonneau cover, and this one's kind of unique. It has a little cabin area here, an enclosed head. Very, very convenient. Of course, we've got digital throttle and shift here with our Verado. Lots of 12-volt recept and USB ports everywhere to charge your cell phone or spotlight. Fusion stereo, Simrad GPS. We go to the bow on our port side. It's got a nice squared off bow right here. It gives you a lot of interior space. Very comfortable for friends and family. And in the back here, well, I'll show you the top here. This is a real good looking top that comes with it. And this seat on the driver's side goes fore and aft, so it's basically designed, you know, for a little bit larger family if you like a lot of seating and storage. This is a great boat. The 250 SDX has been one of our best sellers from Sea Ray. So to recap, 2021 Sea Ray 250 SDX. This one's located here at MarineMax in Venice. Again, my name's Jeremy Bradshaw. If you'd like some additional information on the boat, feel free to give us a call here at MarineMax in Venice. The number is 941-485-3388. Thank you again for taking the time, and we hope to talk to you soon. Bye-bye.